Man, what a day. I haven't done a video in a while. I wanted to do an unboxing here. I'm pretty excited about this one. Hell, I'm still dirty. Been working all day. Just finished up. Got the shop closed up. This package has drove me crazy all day long. Been like a dog waiting on his owner to get home. My ears tuned. I'd hear the truck and run out there. And the FedEx guy just drove right on by, didn't stop. So he was gone a while, and they're bad for delivering to the wrong house out here. So I hopped in the van and rode around the block and looked for him, and he was gone. Came back home stressing. Work and work and work, and listening for that truck. Out here, where I grew up here, we're used to, we know people, the sound of vehicles. You know someone's coming home by the sound of their vehicle. And I know these FedEx trucks, the way they sound. Anyway, he ended up sneaking up here and dropping it off, and I didn't hear him. Guess I was working on the car. But I got it now. I'm happy. And let's tear into this. This is for the Miata. I'm about to do that, I don't know if I've mentioned it in the video before or not, but I'm going to run an external oil pump. I might have in my other Jones Racing video. This is from Jones Racing. I always, everything about them's top notch. Their packaging, everything. I'm surprised this box don't say Jones Racing. I think the last one did. Probably going about this wrong. I'm new to unbox. We're gonna get in there. There. This isn't everything. I've still got a lot to do. I'm just showing you when you order something from them what you get. So here we got us a catalog. They have really nice catalogs. Need that invoice on there. Camera around. You get you a nice catalog. They've got some good looking stuff. It's like one of my favorite companies. Kind of weird on my car because this is dirt track, circle track racing, this type stuff. But it's really cool and it's different. That's what I like about it. Instead of the same old stuff you see on everybody's car. A couple stickers, I got a ton of them as you see. Got some over there. Little cards with some info about the alternators and back. I did not know they had batteries. That's interesting. Got the Jones logo on it too. Well, they cheat me this time. I got one Jolly Rancher. Usually they send 2 or 3. Alright. Now there's not going to be much in here. And that is it. Actually, I'll rip this. I don't want to risk scratching it. This is oil pump. This is a new crank drive mandrel, if I'm saying that right, for my for the car. Oh, there's my other Jolly Rancher. Where my factory Ford pulley is. I'd like to lay it here and compare these. I'll put a little shot in the video here of what the other pulley looks like, because this isn't the only pulley. Man, they make some good looking stuff. And a lot of attention to detail too. I mean, just little small stuff. Oh, that's in a separate little pack. Little Allen key. Okay, this will go in place so where the factory Ford pulley goes. I mean, even on the back side, just stuff like this impresses me. Jones Racing small block Ford. Just I ordered. I've got my old crank mandrel is like this, except for I had it cut down shorter, because I only have one pulley on it. That's what's on the car now. I'll throw a picture on the screen of that. And I had to go with the longer one so I could fit both pulleys. Now this one's going to go on the oil pump, and it'll be right over here in this area. And you know, my crank will be right here. And my alternator is, you know, about right here. That pulley's bigger, and it's a nicer pulley on the alternator. I am happy these are wide too. I was worried about the width of them. Let me get. Okay, I don't know what I've done with the factory pulley. I may have thrown it out, or it's around here somewhere. I don't think I would have thrown that out. I know I'll never use it again, but I still don't usually throw things like that out. This is made so I can cut it down where I want it to be. This right here, I'll be ordering it. It's in the magazine here. When I ordered a belt to go with it. Let's see here. It should be in the back. Oh yeah, they even got them that drive off of the rear end differential alternator kit. Now of course that'd be racing because it only charged while you were running, but that's pretty dang cool. Well heck, I don't see the thing right now. Oh yeah. Well no, that's some AN wrenches. Okay, I'm not going to waste no more time looking that up. It's going to be something, it'll be a Jones Racing wrench. But it's a different than these, they're bigger. For turning the crankshaft over. And that's what this one right here is on here for. You see it's got the little keyway in it. You take the aluminum wrench, then you can turn your engine over. Little keyway right there. Take that out. And it'll be slotted all the way down. And these are just spacers so you can adjust your pulleys wherever you want them. Man, he sent me a lot of them too, I'm glad. And I've got a bunch on my other pulley. Because, I mean, when you get to adjusting the pulleys, you'll need them. Little shields, belt guides. See, they don't even have to have that, but I mean, even though it's covered up, it's still got the logo. Oh, I'll be careful, got the keyway in there. And anyway, you get the idea. Just all the way down. And it's slotted all the way down, so you can put whatever you want on it. This pulley is going to end up being down here at the bottom. I'll probably move these around and I'll have it pretty close down here. It's so much nicer than the factory pulleys. I try to steer a lot of people towards this, but they don't like I think the price scares them away, but I mean, it's nice stuff. Once you put it on your car, I mean, it's there. And you can upgrade it, change the pulleys. You can put serpentine belt pulleys on here. You don't have to run the cog belts. They got all kinds of different ones. Alright, let me show you one more thing. This is a spare belt that came with my alternator. I don't have the belt for this yet because I've got to mount my pump and see what size belt I'm going to need. I'm just showing you this for example. It's going to be something like this, and it'll have their logo on it, and it looks really good on the car. Probably be this style belt, honestly. I don't want to unfold this one. Yeah, that one actually fits in there pretty. It may be a little smaller. This one, I don't know. It might be this one. That'll match what I have. But it'll be that, and I just love the attention to detail. Well, when I get the pump on the car, I still got to do the oil pan, and I'm going to put a tubular cross member on there. I'll get all this on there, and I'm waiting on a new harmonic balancer. I wish I had the car in here tonight, but I got the stupid Prius in here I've got to work on, and I'll show you the deal with this. The factory 93 Mustang harmonic balancer, it has a lip that sticks out about, it's almost an inch that this sticks onto from the back of the pulley. You'll probably be able to see that when I show a crank shot of the other current mandrel with the other pulley on it. I ordered a new one that's completely flat, so it'll move this in an inch. So what I gained in length here, this will move in, and hopefully this won't be too close to my radiator, which I have moved the radiator, and I am going to do a video on that showing before and after. I dropped it down and moved it up underneath to kind of tucking it away to make more room for this, and it should have went under there to begin with. I was just in a hurry doing the car. Well, that's all I'm going to do on this video tonight. I will do an upgrade when I start getting it on the car. I am glad to get this stuff. It's like Christmas time around here for me. Little screw hole here, got an Allen. Screw hole here, Allen. Where else? Right here. On the back side, one there. And one there. Any more? It ought not to go, it shouldn't go nowhere once you get it on there, that's for sure. Which, it being the oil pump, you don't want it to go nowhere. One more time. Man. Love it. Just love it.